Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 minus 3 divided by 1 by 3 multiply 3 plus 3. So let's start with the today's video solution. So to simplify this, we are going to use the BODMAS rule, which says that if multiple signs are given, so we can solve it with starting with bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and last subtraction. So out of all this sign, these 4 signs are given. So first we give preference to the division. So we can write 3 minus 3 multiply 3 plus 3. Because when we remove the division sign and convert into multiplication, we reciprocal the number. After that, only 3 signs are remaining, that is subtraction, multiplication, and addition. So we give preference to multiplication. So 3 minus 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, plus 3. Now we are going to give the preference to addition. So in 3, in front of it, there is nothing. That means addition, and this 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 27. Now subtraction gives us minus 21. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.